Good morning to everybody. Today we are going to discuss about the photograph of adverse drug reaction. As you know that when the drug is taken, it produces the two type of effect. One, beneficial effect, and second is harmful effect. The beneficial effect which we want, the patient want. The harmful effect we do not want, the patient does not want, but the drug can produce the harmful effect. Such harmful effect, they can be called as adverse drug reactions. Today we are going to study the photograph of adverse drug reaction. So the first photograph of this class is adverse drug reactions of cimetidine. So first you look this photograph. This photograph is of male patient, age about 35 years. He is complaining of pain in epigastric region off and on. On history, he give that he passing the blood in the stool. The laboratory investigation confirmed the melena. Then the endoscopic examination was done and the diagnosis was confirmed as duodenal ulcer. The patient was put on anti-ulcer drug. After 2 months, the patients come with this type of photographs. Now you look this photograph. This is a photograph of male, age about 35 years, and there is an enlargement of the breast. Enlargement of the breast. So the questions for this photograph is, number one, what is the diagnosis of this photograph in this case? Now you see there is an enlargement of the breast. The enlargement of the breast is called a gynecomastia. Then which drug causes this gynecomastia in this case? Here the drug is given for the treatment of this gynecomastia is an anti-ulcer drug. So there are number of anti-ulcer group. Out of this, the H2 blockers, they produce this type of gynecomastia. In this H2 blocker, the main drug, that is cimetidine, is responsible to produce this gynecomastia. Then the line of treatment. Number one, first we have to stop the drug. Then we can prescribe the drug from this H2 blocker. For example, instead of cimetidine, we can prescribe the ranitidine. Then we can prescribe the drug from other anti-ulcer group drug. For example, proton pump inhibitor. In proton pump inhibitor, we can prescribe the omeprazole, pantoprazole, remiprazole, like that. Then we can advise the patient for plastic surgery. So these are the line of treatment for this gynecomastia. Then what are the other drugs which can cause this gynecomastia? The example is chlorpromazine, metoclopramide, then ketoconazole, spironolactone. So these are the drugs which can cause this gynecomastia in the patient.